Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to change item column name. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into monday.com. Once when you've logged in, you'll be redirected to this home page and you can see here are the boards that you're working on. Now what you need to do is you can open any form that you're working on. I'm going to open this one. Now, for example, if I have to change uh, this column name, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here and click on board settings. And once when I click on board settings, I need to come here on settings, and then I need to click here on change item terminology. Now let me tell you something very amazing. The reason why you change the name is that maybe you have mistyped it, or you need to change it and have a more better suitable name. Whatever reason that you have, you just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. So you need to click here on change item terminology, and here you can see that you can change this item, employee column, leads column, creative column, budget column, completely up to you. And we can have a custom board name as well. Here you go. And here you go. This is how we change the name of the column in monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.